How to add and set up exercise mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Modes and Routines. After click on Modes and Routines, scroll down to and click on Add Mode, and you will see exercises here. Click on Exercise, and if you want to add and set up exercise mode, click on Start, and you will select App Open, and during exercise, and you will see Start. You will select Exercise, Healthy Widgets, and Exercise. Click on Next and click on Start. Agree, and Next. If you want to add Do Not Disturb, call and message, add contact, done. Click on Next. You will add play music media volume, done. You will see exercise mode is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add, set up exercise mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.